Hello everybody, welcome back to the garden. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the Grossyland 1000W LED grow light. This is their 1000W model, and what I'll be doing in today's video is just showing you guys what's included in the package, and then we will be hanging it up inside and turning it on for you all to demonstrate the product's use. This will do a 2x5 grow area or a 3x3 depending on if you are in the vegetative state or if you're trying to flower, depending on what you're growing as well. If you're growing your indoor houseplants, this will definitely do like a 3x3 or even a 3.5 or 4x4 foot area just off of this one light without a problem. It's definitely got enough output for that. I have had great results with Grossyland in the past. I've been sent several lights from them, and most of them to this day I still have, if I haven't already given to a buddy of mine who was in need for an indoor grow light. I absolutely love them, so I'm more than happy to back the name up because of that. I haven't had any issues with any LEDs going out. All of the diodes are still burning. The plants are growing great. So very happy. Grossyland is on my list for some of the better cheap companies online for introductory growers, people who are just trying to get into growing indoors with houseplants and might need some supplemental light, or if you're trying to produce a larger scale grow operation where you're growing sprouts or something like that indoors, or vegetables indoors, which I do. Primarily this winter I'm going to be growing a lot of sprouts, and this is going to be one of the lights that does that for me. So this is really a great light at such a low cost. Let's take it inside and see how it looks. Okay, here we've got the light plugged in. I actually really like the fact that it has a dimmer on it, just in case you were to have some lower or higher light requirement plants. I would say the overall light color is a bias a little bit more towards the reds, which can definitely be a good thing. Don't worry, my Monstera here just needs a little bit of a watering. I haven't watered it in about 2.5 or 3 weeks. So at this point, when it starts to curl up like this, that's when I give it a good watering, and then in the next day it'll be looking fantastic. But this light looks really well. I like the overall design build of it. Following in Grossyland's standard fashion, it is built really good without any manufacturer defects at all right out of the box. I'm going to move my Chihuahuensis over here so I can get some of this light. I always say that you can usually tell the quality of a grow light and whether or not it's actually going to grow your plants based off of how it ships to you. If you're going to see manufacturer defects right away in that package from as soon as you open it up, then chances are the quality of the LEDs themselves are just not going to do your plants any good. Even though it might look good out of the package and the specs look nice, they might not actually be true. So that's why you guys can look for manufacturer defects right out of the box to kind of get an idea of what you're working with here. Tipping this thing up, you guys will see the panel of LEDs. There are 3 rows of reds, and then all the rest look like they're pretty white. I'll show you guys a picture of the spectrum scale of this grow light right now. We've got all the right colors in place. The light looks great right out of the package. It's really light, and you can also daisy chain these things together. What it comes with out of the package is the power cord, and then of course you have the means of support, which is adjustable. This is key. If you guys are growing plants, having this included in the package is really nice because you don't have to mess around with getting it to the right height. You can just pop it into your support wherever that might be, and then easily adjust it with this nice long length of rope right here. I would say the light's looking great. Another great one from Grossyland. I hope this helped you guys when looking at purchasing this light on if it's something that you would like to have in your home or not. Again, this is probably going to be something that we are growing our sprouts with this winter. So stay tuned, happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next episode.